legislature and the executive. The executive of the power, because the executive is charged with the responsibility of collecting revenue. The revenue goes to the executive, and the executive then distributes this revenue to the legislature and to the judiciary. And this sometimes the executive can use to try to claw back some of the powers which have been constitutional given to the legislature and also to the judiciary. We have had practical examples in Kenya, where, for example, the executive wants to introduce certain amendments, and the judiciary is saying that these amendments are unconstitutional and therefore null and void. Now the executive is now accusing the judiciary of corruption and trying to discipline some of the judges to deal with the cases. But because the funding is coming from the executive can hold this judicial ransom. We're not going to give you more money unless you behave. So, yeah. The same thing with the legislature. The legislature want to introduce certain laws to give them more powers, but these laws actually are against the constitutional provisions. So again, here the judiciary will make a ruling against the legislature. Where do you strike the balance? Is the issue. This is a general issue that is being discussed around the world. You've seen there, in Israel, Netanyahu is having the problem. The same thing they're having back in Kenya. It's the same problem. So this is the matter that we want to discuss here as a panel. And those are my opening remarks. Thank you very much.